Welcome friends to the 2027 Nissan Murano. We have some new updates to talk about, and these are of course going to be your official updates from Nissan themselves. And if you stay tuned until the end of this video, I will be sharing with you how you can save a substantial amount of money off of new Nissans. Alright, let's get started here. One of the big updates is going to be the fact that we no longer have the entry-level SV model to choose from, and I actually think this is a good thing because what they've done instead is we just have 3 trim levels for 2027, the SL, the all-new Dark Armor, and then we have the Platinum at the top. I always thought that the SL was one of the best value propositions for the Murano. Here, it just comes standard, and now the price has been cut dramatically by close to $3,000 compared to 2026, so that's good. And now the Dark Armor, which is the new trim level, costs about as much as the last year's SL. So new starting price for the SL, it's going to be $43,990, the Dark Armor $46,990, and we still have the Platinum at the top, which is $49,790, so $10 cheaper than last year, for the Platinum at least. But make sure to add $1,545 as the destination charge to all of the prices I just listed. And these new 2027 Muranos, they are on sale right now. Now let's talk about the new Dark Armor model because that's all new for 2027. As the name suggests, it's going to come with more darkened exterior elements like the gloss black 21-inch wheels. We get the sportier bumpers and the lower side molding. We also have the gloss black Nissan badges as well as Dark Armor badges on the front door panels. The Dark Armor is offered only with the graphite interior upholstery, but we do have a choice of 6 exterior colors like the Gun Metallic, the Super Black, Scarlet Ember, Everest White, Boulder Gray with the Super Black roof, and the Everest White with the Super Black roof. Okay, and other than that, the only other update is we now have a snow mode as a drive mode to select from for all of the trim levels. And all of the trims, they do come standard with all-wheel drive, of course. The Murano, this is an all-new vehicle for the 2025 model year. That's when it got the full redesign that you see here. And of course, they really cleaned up the trim levels. Some of the highlight features regarding this vehicle, you can get things like the heated and ventilated / massaging front seats. We also have the 64 color ambient lighting, and we have the available semi-aniline leather appointed upholstery. I really love to see that. In fact, even the Nissan Rogue Platinum comes with the semi-aniline leather, which is very impressive. In the back seats, we have the available rear door sunshades, the heated rear seats, and the zero gravity seats for the back as well. You have the dual 12.3-inch displays for the digital gauge cluster and the infotainment. You can also get the Google built-in for the Dark Armor and the Platinum trims. The top audio system on the Murano, it's going to be the Bose 10-speaker unit. Nissan always does an amazing job of offering us the useful safety tech features as standard. They call it the Nissan Safety Shield. So you get things like the blind spot monitoring, the rear cross traffic alert, and much more, all as standard. And there's even useful camera tech features available to you like the 360 cam and the invisible hood view as well. The all-new Murano comes with the 2-liter VC turbo with 241 horsepower and 260 pounds-feet of torque. We do have paddle shifters here, and it's connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission. And this engine is able to take regular fuel, which is great to see. These SUVs, they are quite practical with 32.9 cubic feet of space in the trunk. I do personally think going with the entry-level SL is going to be your best value proposition. Although if you want that Bose audio system, I understand you can just step up to that new Dark Armor trim and get that. And if you want the very nice massaging seats, you have to go all the way up to the Platinum. Again, I will have all of the official documents and press releases on the screen for you to check out. That way you'll know everything there is to know regarding the all-new Murano. And as promised at the beginning of this video, here's how you can save a substantial amount of money off of new Nissans. You can reach out to AutoCompanion, who offers one of the largest car buying services in the United States. They're offering 11% off the sticker price on the Murano, along with many other gas-powered Nissan vehicles as well. And these are brand new 2026 units. They also have deep discounts on Subaru, Mazda, Honda, Toyota, Volkswagen, and more. These are truly some of the best new car prices in the entire United States, and you do not have to haggle or fight for this. AutoCompanion does charge a concierge fee to access these deals. If you mention my channel, I will be compensated but they will also take $50 off of their fee, and I really appreciate them doing that for my audience. Their partner dealerships are located in Washington, D.C. and in California. They do offer nationwide shipping. I've had 2 vehicles shipped, never had an issue, but you can also pick up locally in D.C. and California and save on that shipping cost. So I can have all of AutoCompanion's information and their free resources linked in the description box of this video. If you found value with this content, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Take care and goodbye.